Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook fall-off-the-bone ribs. First, preparing the ribs properly sets the stage for success. Begin by carefully removing the tough membrane from the underside of each rack. This ensures an incredibly tender result. Next, generously apply a good quality dry rub, making sure to cover every surface completely. Allow the seasoned ribs to rest, ideally for at least 1 hour at room temperature or up to several hours chilled. The secret to tender ribs is cooking them low and slow. Preheat your oven or smoker to a steady 275 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring an even temperature. Place the seasoned ribs directly on your cooking surface, keeping the bone side facing down. Allow them to cook for about 2.5 to 3 hours, without peaking, until a beautiful, deep mahogany color develops. This slow initial phase begins the breakdown of tough connective tissues. Now, it is time for the crucial wrapping step that truly locks in moisture and tenderness. Gently remove the ribs from their initial cook and prepare to wrap them. Place each rack onto 2 large pieces of heavy-duty aluminum foil, then add about 1/4 cup of apple juice or cider vinegar. Seal the foil tightly around the ribs to create a steamy environment, then return them to cook for another 2 hours. After their steamy foil bath, carefully unwrap the ribs, pouring off any excess liquid. This is where you add that irresistible sticky glaze. Generously brush your favorite barbecue sauce over both sides of the racks, ensuring complete coverage. Return the sauced ribs to the oven or smoker, unwrapped, for about 30 minutes. If you prefer a more caramelized finish, briefly increase the temperature to 300 degrees Fahrenheit for the last 10 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.